questions, and we're going to try to make this as simple as possible. So we talk on the show all the time about ventilation, and people call in all the time with concerns about growths in their bathroom.
Right. So
And
we
they
want.
never
I
call
want
it mold
is
or
this a
mildew.
12 by 12 or a 10 by 10 or
It
a
is what
6
it
by
is.
6? What
So
size?
they talk about their bathroom. So we know it's from a lack of ventilation. I'm just going to just keep going over it. So how do you determine how much ventilation you need? So there's some complex formulas you can use. So let's start there.
Uh-huh.
So let's say for bathrooms that might be less than 100 square feet, probably 80% of those in America,
Okay, yeah.
you want to find the cubic square footage of your bath.
Cubics.
So, yeah, cubics. So the method is really simple. It's just length times width times height, right?
So 10 by 10 by
So,
8.
well, let's go 10 by 8 by 9.
Okay.
So if it's 10 by 8 by 9, then it's 720 cubic feet. But if you multiply that times 0.13,
Okay.
you'll come out with 93.6, which then you round up to the next tenths, and that means you need a 100 CFM fan.
Okay.
So cubic footage divided by 0.13 will give you your fan.
Right.
But I don't like that formula.
No. Why would Rich like that one? No.
Well, because it doesn't. It's too simple, and the point of ventilation is air changes. So in your bathroom, you're shooting for 8 air changes per hour.
Okay.
So we want to make sure that we're taking air changes into consideration. So you want to multiply the width, the length, and the height of the room. You want to divide by 60. That's how many minutes there are in an hour.
Okay.
Then you want to multiply by 8.
Huh?
The number of air changes you want.
Okay.
So in my previous example, we have the same bathroom, 10 foot by 8 foot by 9 foot tall. That's 720 cubic feet divided by 60 is 12.
Okay.
Then you take 12 times 8, that is 96, so you need a 100 CFM fan.
Did you talk to George? Did George send you this?
No. Now,
How much more?
you see I
complex-
came up with the same fan.
How
But
complex
this
can we
was
make
much
it?
more complicated
Yes.
and impressive. And it made you think about air changes.
Okay. Yeah. There you go.
Hey, if you can't dazzle them with brilliance, you have to baffle them with bull.
All right. Exactly.
All right. Now,
Now.
if the bathroom is larger than 100 square feet, the Home Ventilation Institute recommends that you add the CFM requirement for each fixture present.
Ooh.
So
Okay.
a toilet is 50 CFM, a shower is 50 CFM, a bathtub is 50 CFM, and a jetted tub, like a whirlpool, for whatever reason, is 100 CFM.
Because you're stirring the water and it's going to evaporate
I
faster.
suppose. So let's take all the tough math out of this and all
Okay.
the air changes and everything.
Okay.
In your standard bathroom that's under 100 square feet, you have a tub, shower,
Right.
mix, and a toilet, yes?
Yes.
With those simple rules, you need a 100 CFM fan. So the big thing about sizing your fan, I think the 50 each works pretty good.
Right.
Remember this, though. This is the most important thing. The duct should go directly outside.
Yes.
The duct must be pulled tight and have as few degrees of bends as possible. I've seen fans go in and start out with a 180 to go outside.
Yep.
Because the joist was on this side, so they nailed it here instead of putting a block here. And
Yep.
I just shake my head like you guys are idiots.
Yes.
And make sure that your damper is installed as best as possible. Most of those that come with the fans are really kind of junky, but
Yep.
make sure your damper's in there and make sure it's vented directly outside, unobstructed. And regardless of the sizing, it should work fine. And then pop for the switch when you can, so
Yes.
it stays on 20 minutes after you're done with your shower.
Yeah. Or the humidity switch that's got a humidity
Yes.
controlled, so it'll
Yeah.
come on automatically and go off automatically based
Yes.
on the humidity in the room. So,
Yes.
and the less turns in that duct, the better it is. All right. There you go.
Absolutely.
We'll be back with more right after the news. You are listening to
Mighty House.